Good morning, everybody. Miss Jackie Russell here, and happy Mask Monday. And guys, it is Monday morning, and by the time you see this, it'll probably be Monday afternoon. But I want to wish you all a great day no matter what. I am going to be using the Youth Haus Golden Glow mask. This is a two-piece mask with hyaluronic acid, collagen, and retinol. And it's in the morning, as you can see up above there, the sun's shining in. I guess you can see maybe over here up top there's light coming in through the window. It's causing my beam lights to come down on me. So we have some lighting issues this morning, but we're just going to go ahead and work through it. And I'm going to get this mask on. I don't know, it comes packaged like this in two sections, and you can see all the essence that's inside there. And I'm not even quite sure how you open it properly, so I'm going to just cut it open. And if I remember correctly, I've done this one before, and I don't know if I'll be able to retain the bottom half of this mask because sometimes it wants to fall off. I think it is a gel mask, and we're going to get this put on real quick. As you can see, I kind of cut through it with my fingernails, so it's real sensitive. And I never really know what way to put these masks on. And when I say that, what I mean by that is I don't know if I'm putting it on the right side or not when I open them up. Looks like it's got a little tray I can pull out. It's like full of essence. We're going to get this put on and see how it does. Like I said, I'm not sure how the bottom half will stay on while I'm talking. That's the issue. This one has a lot more essence in it, it seems like. There we go. But this is what the two-piece mask, and it is sliding down mask looks like. And I think this mask is probably best used maybe laying down, because it does want to just slide down as I'm talking, you can see. So like I said, I don't know if this will be able to stay on or not. I hope it does, because I would like to get the full use of it. It's not wanting to bend underneath there, I can tell you that. So we'll just see how it goes. I know last time I had this mask, I had to just take the bottom half off so I could finish talking to you guys. But that is the mask that I'm using today, and like I told you, it is full of essence. And I'm gonna put some of this on my arms while we're doing this. And I'm probably going to continue to be adjusting this mask, and it's ripping up here at the top, so I don't know if it's old. I mean, I got it from a Macy's box, but it was from one of their older boxes that I got it from. But I've had the mask before and had issues with it staying put. Well, that didn't work well, did it? It's fixing to rip on this side. I'm going to see if I can get it to stay on with this mask over it. I'm going to cut this off. Okay, well, we're going to look at this. You can tell it's still sliding down. Well, it's going to get on my neck there. Maybe it'll stay on my neck. My neck could use a little bit of hyaluronic acid, and what else did it say it had in it? Collagen and retinol. So we'll just have it go right there. It's going to eventually probably just come on down and fall out, because it's still... That's what it's wanting to do. It's wanting to just fall off. I can't believe this mask. I don't know if I like this. The whole thing's just sliding down. Well, there we go. I tried that, and then that mask is pulling this mask down, so we're just going to go with the half mask, and we're not going to be going with the full mask here. It's just not going to stay on. So that is a bust, and because of that reason, I would probably never buy this mask. I mean, if I get it, I'll use it, but I'm not buying it, and therefore, because I won't buy it, I'm not going to recommend it to you to buy. Now let's get on with my friend mail. She has a little heart on there, and I don't want to show you her address. And we're going to open up this friend mail and see what it says. It says thanks. Whoops, and there's some things inside. And even this mask is sliding down. we have a few things on the inside, and it says, "Hi, Miss Jackie. Thank you for the wonderful goodies in the giveaway. I love all of the items. I was so excited the day everything arrived. Happy fall, and thanks again. Love, Mary B." And that's who it is from, and Mary B is one of our subscribers, and she has sent me a herbal cup of tea, and it's maple apple cider. Ooh, just in time for fall from Stash. That ought to be delicious. And she has sent me a bookmark, and it says, "One act of kindness won't change the world, but it may change one person's world." Oh my goodness, that is so true. You know, I've always said, and I'm not always good at it, but I try. When someone's really kind of ugly to you, especially like, you know, you're checking out at a grocery store or something like that, and they just seem to be in a very bad mood, something probably happened to ruin their day, and it could have been another customer, we don't know, but I always try to give them a little bit of grace and give them a little bit of kindness and a smile, because you don't know, you're not going to change the world, but you may change one person's day, and that is so true. Thank you, Mary, I love that. And then she had put some stickers on there as well of the yellow roses for friendship. That is really sweet. Thank you. Then I got another friend mail from Plush Bat Fan. That's Dream Big Productions, Plush Bat Fan. And he has a channel, that has like multiplication, addition, subtraction, those type of like retro games on his channel. And he plays them every day. And on the inside here, let's see what we have. Now he is doing something, looks like I tore his little note. Let's see what it says. "Here are extra Hello Kitty tags for your arts and crafts collection." And it's October 3rd, 2023. And yeah, I'm trying to start a little, I guess you could say, scrapbook. And he has sent me another Hello Kitty with the actual tag of the Hello Kitty. And I am going to put it with my other Hello Kitty. He has sent me several Hello Kitties. He's doing something like collecting Hello Kitties right now. So I know we're going to see more from that in the future. I just don't know exactly what all he's doing, but I know it's Halloween, and he had sent me a picture of one Hello Kitty that he found. I guess it had I guess you could say almost like a costume on it. So he may be doing something with them for Halloween. I'm not sure. But he is sending me the tags for my collection. And this mask is just so weird. I don't know what to tell you guys. But if you haven't checked out Plush Bat Fan, be sure and go over and say hello. Subscribe to him if you would. And let him know Miss Jackie sent you. And I'm going to check on this mask to see how long it's supposed to stay on. It says 15 to 30 minutes. And I'm going to squeeze some of this essence out and put some more on my face here where it's not getting anything because I couldn't keep it on. But I don't really have a whole lot to share with y'all today. I just wanted to pop on here and wish y'all a happy Mass Monday, share my friend mail with you, and I also wanted to let you know about the Dollar Tree train. I know it's been out about a week and there's one more week left. It ends on October 15th. And I just want to mention to you, in case you haven't heard it already, is that if you're new to our channels and you have subscribed, make sure that your subscription stuck or held up. Many times when we have these collabs and we have new persons that are joining up because they want to win a giveaway and they have to be publicly subscribed to everyone, they'll go from video to video and click and, subscribe and maybe make a comment, hit the like button, and buzz off real quickly. Well, you need to stay on that channel for at least 4 minutes of that video before you move on. And the reason is YouTube will remove fast subscriptions. In other words, you just pop on there, subscribe, and then never come back. They may treat you like a bot or somebody that didn't really want to subscribe. So they'll remove you. And all of us, I think, had some increase of the day of the collaboration. Thank you very much. We appreciate all of our subscribers and our new ones that are joining up. But we also had the next day, like several taken away. And that usually happens when YouTube feels like they weren't real or they weren't on the channel long enough. I'm not sure how they determine all that. In my opinion, they shouldn't do that. If you subscribe, you should be subscribed to the channel. But they don't do it that way. They have their own way of doing things. So be sure and go back if you are new and make sure you're subbed to all the channels if you're wanting to officially be entered into the giveaways and have a chance to win, because we will check that. And if you are not subscribed to all channels and publicly subscribed, and on that playlist we have now added Mary's video. Mary Catherine Loves Cats has a video on how to change your channel to public. And if you don't have your channels on public or you're not sure, then go and check that out, because I'm going to tell you several of you have signed up and entered with the keyword, but you're not publicly subscribed to me, and it tells me that in my YouTube studio, and I know that. But on top of knowing that, if I was to click on your name and go over to your channels, it will say no content, which means you don't have any public channels and you cannot win if you are not publicly subscribed. So check to see if your channel listings are public or not, and it's, I guess, simple to do once you know how to do it, and that video should help you be able to do that. And like I said, Tracy has added that to our playlist for your convenience. On my video for the Dollar Tree train, it's right underneath the playlist, I believe. So I do have a how to make your channel public so that you can qualify for giveaways if you're interested. And this is really directed to those of you that have entered and want to have that real chance to win, so that you can have that real chance to win. And it's also to let you know that when you subscribe to channels and you really want to be a part of their channel, you do need to watch their video for about 4 minutes before you leave. And in my opinion, it's best to watch the video about 4 minutes, then hit subscribe, hit like, and make a comment. Do that after you've watched it a few minutes, and hopefully your subscription will stick to our channels. But that is just a little update on that. I want to thank Mary and Tracy. I think there's a few others, and I don't know off the top of my head, who have been commenting and letting you all know how to subscribe publicly. I want to thank them for doing so, and I just wanted to go ahead and reach out to any of you that may not have heard that message yet about how to make your subscription stick. And you may want to go and check your subscription to make sure that you are subscribed to all 12 channels if you have entered for the giveaway. Now I'm going to go ahead and take this off. 15 to 30 minutes, and it's been that long. And again, this mask feels okay. I'll just say okay. And I know I wouldn't buy this mask unless I'm going to lay down, but I never lay down with a mask on. I mean, I probably should, but the whole thing is to probably relax and enjoy, but I don't do that. I usually am doing something else. I'm always multitasking. But this is the mask that we use today, and it does have essence still coming out of it, so I'll put that on my arms and all that kind of good stuff. And as for today, that's all I have, and I'm going to let you guys go so you can go see all the other Mask Monday ladies. And I want to thank Mary B for sending over her thank you card. You didn't have to do that. Mary is very sweet, and she subscribed to many of our channels, and she is a great friend, and it's really sweet, Mary, that you sent this to me. Like I said, you didn't have to. I thank you very much. I'll enjoy my little cup of tea. And Plush Bat Fan, thank you for my little Hello Kitty and to add to my collection, and I appreciate you too. And you guys, with all that said, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.